In this video, I'm talking to retirees out there, and I want to talk a little bit about the benefits of downsizing when you retire. So, oftentimes when you retire, we're looking at ways that we can cut down on our expenses. We often think about things like our spending habits, like how much we're spending on groceries and other goods. But one of your biggest expenses is tied up in your home. Not just, your mortgage payment, but also your energy bills and cost of upkeep. So a good place to think about where you can come up with some more income could be in savings from downsizing your home. So couple things to think about when you downsize your home. A smaller home typically means that you're going to have lower bills and less upkeep. You're also going to have the windfall from the sale of that home, presumably to buying a cheaper, smaller home. So that's due to your home equity, right? If you've been in your home for a while, you probably have significant amount of equity. In fact, most people's net worth is in their home's equity. That's where their net worth comes from. So that savings that you have, that windfall, can also be cash that you're living off of during your retirement years. So the benefits are you're going to have that windfall of cash from selling your larger home to purchasing your smaller home. Maybe even you're able to eliminate your mortgage payment, so you eliminate that bill. You're going to have lower energy bills, lower upkeep bills for that smaller home, and then you have that cash left over to also help you live off of. So some questions to ask yourself to determine whether or not it's the right time for you to downsize. Think about why you bought that home you currently live in. Maybe you bought it because you had 2 kids living at home, and so you needed the space. Well, if those kids have moved out, gone off to college, or maybe they've gone and now have families of their own, the reason you bought that home maybe no longer exist. You have to decide if you really need and want the space. A bigger home takes more time to clean, if nothing else, and to keep decluttered. So, it might be beneficial if you don't want to spend your time cleaning the house. It might be beneficial to get a smaller house for you to clean. And then really thinking about what are your housing expenses and where would you like them to be? Would a smaller house provide you that opportunity to live a little bit differently? If you're starting to think about the idea of downsizing, I encourage you to reach out to a real estate agent. Hopefully you reach out to me. I've helped a lot of people downsize their homes. I love to talk you through it. Again, I really view myself as a real estate advisor / consultant. For some people, it makes sense to downsize. For others, it may not. But let's have the conversation. Let's talk about your situation and your unique situation, and let's figure out if downsizing makes sense for you and what would be the benefits of downsizing for you and your specific situation. As always, if you're looking to buy or sell or know someone looking to buy or sell in Central Florida, I'd love to be your go-to agent. Please reach out to me. Remember, you can't miss with Chris. Have a great day, everybody.